Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I use the contour method in Cricut Design Space. Now let's get into the video. First, I'm in Canva and I'm going to go up to Create Design. So now I'm going to go to Upload Files, which I've already uploaded the picture. So I'm just going to select it. And I'm going to go to Edit Image and Background Remover. And I'm going to hit Apply. I'm going to go over and download it and use a transparent background. This is what the cut image looked like before I removed the background in Canva. So now I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture that I did in Canva. So you see here it's already with the transparent background. So all the white is taken out. So now I'm going to hit Cut Image and Upload. Here I have the regular image and the cut image. So I'm going to click on the cut image and duplicate it 3 more times. And now I'm going to hide all the duplicates. And select one and hit Contour. Now I'm going to select Hide All Contours. And I'm only going to select the letters that will be the same color. Now I'm going to select the color that I want to use, but first I'm going to bring back the original picture for the correct color match. So now I'm going to change it to red. So now I'm just going to bring in another cutout image so I can do the next color. So I'm going to select the picture and I'm going to hit Contour. And I'm going to repeat the same process, hide all contours, and just select the letters that's going to be the same color, which is the center part of the picture that's going to be black. Okay, so now with this one, we don't need to really change the color because it's going to be black. So I just brought the other one back just to repeat the same process. But now I'm going to select another cutout. So I hid the other two and now I'm going to do the green letters. So I just select the image and hit Contour. And I hid all the contours and now I'm selecting the letters that's going to be green. And keep in mind when you're selecting your letters, make sure you click on the inside of the letter just to hide that little shaded black area. Okay, so now that we're back here, I'm going to select green and I'm going to bring back all the other contours that I did. And now I'm just going to put them all together and use the already made one to kind of be the template for the one that for the cutout. So I just put that one on top of this one just to get my sizing together. And so what I did here, I just selected the whole thing and just grouped it all together. And now I can kind of size it to the original one. And once it looks like it's a whole image, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the one that I was using as a template. So now I'm gonna size it to. So now I'm gonna go ahead and size the whole entire image to 10 inches in width and 9 inches in height. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit make it because it's time for the cut. So now each color has its own canvas and we're gonna mirror all of them. And my dial on my Cricut is set to custom. So I'm going to select everyday iron on. So all of my vinyl has cut and now I'm doing the weeding process. So this is me just weeding out the green letters. And y'all know I can't do it without my blue tape pack. Here we go. So I've already pre-pressed my shirt to get the moisture out, and now I'm just laying the vinyl on. And the reason you see me folding the vinyl in the middle is because I iron a crease down the middle of the shirt to get a center point. So then I fold my image in half and I line the two creases up on top of each other, the shirt and the vinyl, and that lets me know I'm doing it in the middle of the shirt. And my heat press settings was at 320 and 15 seconds. Okay, so now I'm done pressing. I pull the Teflon sheet off and I pull the backing off and I notice a huge problem. Yep, a huge mistake. How didn't I see that? I have no idea, but yeah, we gotta fix that. It looks like the box added on to the end of the AR. So what I'm gonna do is go back in Cricut Design Space. I'm just gonna take out all of the things that I need, which is the box and the AR. So here it is, and now I'm just gonna weed it out and place it where it needs to go and press it again. So here's the finished product. If you guys like what you just saw, make sure you leave me a comment down below or like and subscribe. And if you have any pointers you want to give me, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you click on the playlist on the screen to check out other videos. See you in the next video.